Mengivuka vele ekseni ngibanjena bakwethu kunzima ukuvuka kumina ekseni lapho nginomsebenzi omuningi ekumele ngiwenze namhlanje. Nginomsebenzi ama-brand ey'ngubo awu-3 ekuzomela ukuthi ngihambe ngiyowashuthela. Anyway ngishutha mina la endlini mase futhi kumele ngihambe ngiyohlangana ne-boyfriend yami later for something romantic, dinner vibes, and then mase ngiprepare i-script ekumele ngisende because I am a writer eBuzz SA, but I only write izitori zakaZulu zibhalwa yimina uNana Zulu and ziphindwe actwe umina uNana Zulu, so I only focus kuzona lezo zitori. Right now kumele ngikhiphe upart 2 wale story le esikhipha khona uKhethi Mdluli ejele, so uzophuma I think in 2 days. Part 2 will be out. So ke ngicela ningilandeleke siqala usuku lami. Anyway, ngigcoba ke ibutter yakhona la eBuzz SA. Ngigcoba i-strawberry flavor because i-strawberry sinuka kamnandi kumina. Ngisebenzisa sona nje on my face and as well as emzimbeni, but I love i-strawberry flavor and I also like the mango flavor. Ningixolele guys, i-lighting yala endlini very very bad. I think it's the paint of the wall. I pop up like ningabona ukuthi sengiede i-lighting eninganjani, but it doesn't pop. So by tomorrow ngizobe sengipaintile kabusha. I'm planning ukuthi mase ngiyodla sengiya kwi something romantic with my guy, with my boyfriend, ngihambe ngishiye ama-contractors overnight to paint the wall nge-popping color. Niyawazi ama-overnight painters, even if when you're at work they can paint. Lo ma-contractors, they have their own chemicals ukuthi upaint usheshe wome ungahili kube nje it's something ukuthi you paint ebusuku and then ekseni uyangena endlini. So ke guys, like right now ngiyahamba ngejimini, angeke ngitshengiseke mangabe sengisejimini, angeke ngitshengise mase ngisejimini. So just now I'm just taking my smoothie because I love ama-smoothies ekseni before ngiya kwi-gym. Ningangihleki ukuthi all that skin routine ngiyenzele i-gym. It's just that like I love skin routine, like I have my own morning creams okuvuka ekseni nani uyibona into enjengalezo. Sengibuyile ke ejimini family, like right now ngifaka i-makeup because ngiyahamba ngiyoqala ukushutha. Nginey'mpahla ezu-3 or ezu-4. Like I'll just check my calendar, I'll just check my diary. I think nginey'mpahla ezu-4. So i-makeup yakhona kuzobe kuyi-jewelry, like a sophisticated jewelry. Mase kubaphinda futhi bekhona ezinye impahla engathi it's an office wear. Uphinde futhi so i-office wear and if I can do a sophisticated makeup, I think the sophisticated makeup, I think the jewelry as well as the formal, the office wear can match on that. And then I'll also do a formal dress. Masengenza just a normal dress. Like I think everything is sophisticated, so ngizoyenza kayiwani makeup angeke ngishintshe ke. So join me na ke studio. My outfit number 1, this white nice dress. It's also part of a shop yase Buzz SA, since I am a model for Buzz SA. It's part of the shop of Buzz SA. Look at this dress, guys. This dress is so nice, and I'm so grateful to the designer because this dress you can wear it in formal events. You can be sexy ngayo le ngubo inhle kakhulu. And then guys, these diamond earrings as well as the diamond necklace, it's also sold by Buzz SA. Yakhona la eBuzz SA. Each and every animation yale Buzz SA, each and every citizen yale Buzz SA, they are all like welcome to buy as long as they can afford. So it's a very nice earpiece as well as the neck lace, very sophisticated and very glamorous, as well as I think I won't say it's for the middle class. I would say it's for sophisticated ladies. And then guys, let's look at this this office way. Mangabe ngithola script to model this way. They told me to I must do some sort of a tomboy look. So I will first try, and then ngiyayimodela ngendlela lengijwayele ukumodela ngayo, because they said I must submit both the tomboy look as well as the normal look. So let me try, guys. Ngiyaqala shema ukuthola campaign where I have to look like a tomboy. I'm not used to that, but I'll try. I'll give my level best, and then ngicela sibukeke this red number, this red dress. Still ngisayi-accessorize there ngaleya necklace, as well as the earpiece. The red dress is also from Buzz SA. I think designer lengubo yenze like such a very good dress, such a very good work. So nje ilona kusuku lami, I am done with umodela lengubo. So ngizohamba ngiyo-order ukudla and have lunch kancane. But guys, before anything, ngicela ukuthi ngintshengise i-studio sami, the entire studio, because ugirl uzakhele le studio, ngisakhe nje from scratch up until to finish. Amalayithi wami ke lawa asiza ukuthi ngekathi ngimodela ngikwazi ukuthi ngipop up phela ngibe bright. And this is my camera on the stand, ngiyayiset up ngishiye lapha ku stand. Kune light elingala esayidini nasesayidini, mase bakhona ne light futhi elingemuva. In fact like nama light awu4 wonke abheke lapha ku backdrop yami emhlophe la ngimodela khona. Mase ke siyabheka lapha yana ke khona nilami lapha yana ngine computer, tablet, printer, as well as my phone, and ne body lami elino to-do list bami. This is my office, this is where I work. Angisebenzeli phakathi endlini, ngisebenzela on this room eli studio sami, but liphakathi nalo kwi-apartment yami. Mase kuthi couch yami ke lana engiyilahla khona mangabe sengikhathele. And then I also have another backup computer lana, namanye ama backup lights and some equipment, because angeke ume nge-equipment eyodwa, kumele ube ne backup phela ezophinde kusize in future. Mase kuthi le ithombe zami ke lezi lana, ithombe zama top models engwathandayo, yabona inspiration mina, yabona lonto leyo. So if umuntu wami boyfriend ukhona lana, and I also have some other 2 chairs akhona la endlini ukuthi singakwazi ukuhlala sibe babili, yabona. Mase ke ngiba ne dark room. I-dark room like ngithatha khona ithombe ngiyiprint emase ngiyibeka laphayana for ukureferencer, to use those photos as references if I work, or like to prepare myself for future gigs or for any job engiyenzayo, so that ngihlezi nginama inspiration, ngenze into eyodwa ngaze ngaziyo ngento eyodwa. So yonke into engiyicabangayo ngiyayidweba ngiyibeke lana on this dark room, or isithombe leso ngisprint ngisibeke lana. In future if ngifuna ukuba creative and then ngiya kusukile dark room yami, ngiyobuka ukuthi into engayisebenzisa ukuthi ngibe creative. And lana ke ishalofu le incwadi zami zonke lezi, because ngiyathanda ukufunda, ngiyathanda ukuresearcha ngento engikuyona, ngiyathanda ukwazi more ngento mina leyo engikuyona. Okay family, lalelani. Right now ngi-order ukudla because sekuyilunch, ngidla ngebreakfast, ngicene ngesmoothie lesi engizidlile before ngiye gymini. So right now I am ordering. Kunolayini le company, I think because it's lunch time, everyone ufuna uku-order. Okay, I am done uku-order, sengizolinda i-order lami ukuthi lifike. Guess what? Ngiyabona ukudla ukuthi sekufikile ukudla, selifikile i-order lami lokudla, sengidishile ke manje. I'm about to start eating, and mengiqeda ukudla Meniqeda ukudla ngizobeke sengiyayiprepare, ngiyipreparela ukuthi ngiyohlangana noBay guys. Sesifikile isikhathi sokuthi ngihambe ngohlangana nomuntu wami, angisamukhumbuli kanjena. Guys, by the way, ngidla ama wings lana as well as ama fried chips ne sauce. It's a cheese dip sauce, so ukudla kwakhona ku right nje, ngiyakuthanda ukudla la order khona. So guys, because isikhathi angisanaso, angeke ngize ngimtshengise mase ngiba ready for ukuyohlangana nesoka lami kuyomitha nomuntu wami, but ngizoqala kunomsebenzi kumele ngiqale ngwenze, and then by 4 o'clock ngizobe sengiyalunga ke ngilungela ukuyohlangana nomuntu wami. Hi family, sengiqedile ke qedile yabona ngizobe ngibuya kanjena ke namhlanje kwidina yethu nomuntu wami, because uthe angibukeke ngisexy uyabona, so I'm wearing a very sexy number in high boots. So lana ngibuya kahle kakhulu guys, and I am blowing bonke labo kissing iblowela nina. Anyway, ngizwa i-call ngathi inzoza yami isiyafona ke. Hello baby, I hope uyaphila sana sami unjani? Ubabazi ngicela ukuntshela ukuthi esidini lakhe ungitshela ukuthi ucela ngize endlini yakhe, ngingabe ngiseza restaurants. Wow, I was not waiting for that. Kodwa ke uzwakala esedi ngizohamba ngendlini yakhe ngiyomsupporta. So yeah. Oh my gosh family, sengifikile kubo kamuntu wami. Umuntu wami akekho right at all emsebenzini. Uthole i-retrenchment letter, so uretrenchiwe emsebenzini kusukela kule nyanga le esizoyiqala uzosebenza okugcina, and then month end sekuyisikhathi sakhe sokugcina. So uyangitshela ukuthi isithando sami mina ngikuthanda kakhulu, and ngiyasaba manje ukuthi imisebenzi kunzima ukuthi umuntu ashesha uthole mangabe ufuna, since ngine experience ivele, kodwa nje kunzima for everyone. So ngiyasaba because bekade sengidepositile i-ring ngithi ngifuna uku-engage imali yelobolo bese ngiyibekile nginayo. So ngiyasaba ukuthi njoba ngizobuyela ekhaya ngiyolindela umsebenzi ngakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe bazosale bakuthathe lana, because mina ngeke ngikwazi ukurenta i-apartment ebiza kanjena, ngingasebenzi ngingenayo income ngiqedwe na le mali le encane. So nje I'm very very stressed. That's the only worry I have. Ngiyayibona yomsebenzi, ngine worry yokuthi ngizohamba ngiyohlala ekhaya, wena maseke basala bayakuthatha lana, you understand, because uzoyithini nawe indoda engasebenzi sithandwa sami. So right now ngiyamthembisa kumuntu wami, ngiyamtshela ukuthi umuntu wami mina ngiyakuthanda wholeheartedly. Ngicela ukuthi ungahambi emakhaya, because mangabuye ekhaya kuzoba nzima ukuthola umsebenzi. So mina I feel like it's better if umsebenzi uzowufuna ula. Ngiya-understand ukuthi rent awunayo, kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi you can crash at my place, ungahlala endaweni yami. Vele siyathandana sithando sami, uhlala endaweni yami while you are looking for something, yabona, uzothi mabe usuyithola ke mangabe usukahle, and then you can move out anytime. So sibhizi ke sisaxoxa nomuntu wami. Umuntu wami useyangibuza ukuthi ngisho yini, ngiyamtshela ukuthi ngisho njengomuntu efa. Uyangitshela ucela ngibuyele endlini ngihambe ngiyosicabanga kahle lesinqumo sami ngisithathile. No sithando sami, this is final. Ayikho into kumele ngiyicabange mangabe kuza ngakwena. Yonke into nje ekumele ngicabange mekuza ngakwena, because ngiyakuthanda wholeheartedly. Ngizocela sithando sami ukuthi ungagoduki ukuze uthando leso luqhubeke kahle, uhlale la nami. So sigcine sesivumelana noBaby ukuthi angihambe mina ngingalali kwakhe, because usafuna nje ukuba yedwa kulobuhlungu abuzwayo. Futhi ngiya-understand nami ngisebuhlungwini as much as ngisebathandweni, but ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibe ngedwa ngi-adjust ngikhale kahle. So sivumelane ngokuthi because mina kuzobe kukhona i-contractor endlini yami izoshaya an overnight painting, mina ngizohamba ngiyolala ehotel. Mengifika ke bangani bami family, sengiyafika ke lana isekuseni, ngisho ngiphume ehotel ngifika lana isekuseni, ngiyafika endlini yami. The color is too bright, I love it, but I am worried ukuthi mhlambe ngoba senginokhala obright kanjena sekusho ukuthi sekumele ngishintshe ifurniture yini, yabona, like but uzophopha kahle ithombeni because that olive one bukade wenza ithombo ukuthi zingabi right yabona. So ngicela nje ukunithatha kancane nginitshengise around the house so that nizobona the current furniture enginayo mase niyabona ukuthi ama-paintings anjani niyabona ke manje. So lana ke is-a sitting room. Ave ngihlule ukuhlukanisa lezi zinto ukuthi this is a sitting room and then it's a dining room if kukuthi kudlelwa khona. Ngiyahluleka nje mengiphambanisele ningixolele. Okay, this is my sitting room. I think so. Nanti couch lami leli bekade limecha nodonga niyabona bekade limecha nodonga mase kuba ama side chairs wami lawa anje awukhala ongena nakunoma yini, and then mase kuba i-coffee table yami imechelana nama side chairs wami ne TV stand yami imeshelana nama side chairs and as well as the coffee table masibamba ublack we-kitchen sazobona lo black we-kitchen. And then laphayana ekhoneni nginalesihlalo lesesincane like sasodongeni yabo is the side bench nginaleya bench lelincane eli brown. So ngitsheleni ke down below ku comment section ifemele ukuthi do I need to upgrade my furniture imechane nodonga, or maybe ngithole contractor ezofike ingikhavele labo sofa. If ikhona any contractor enza lo msebenzi leyo down below ku comment section ingangicontacta, maybe we can work on some sort of advertisement ukuthi ngangisiza kanjani. So just let me know, but I love this furniture isenhlizweni yami. It's just that nanka amakhalazi ama-walls aseshintshile. Asambeni ke manje siyobona kwi dining room area yami. Lana ila engidlela khona itafula lami lengidlela khona i-dining room or dining area. Lama couch bekade meshana nodonga mase kuthi itafula ke nalo belimeshana nemlenze yellow ihlalo lezi of this chairs mase kuthi ke iflower nevase. I love this flower, li special kakhulu kumina, li all over the house, the same vases as well as the same flowers, like not same but same colors. And then ngizocela ukuthi sihambeni ke manje sihambe siye kitchen. I-kitchen lami leli elincanyana li black. Ngicela ningangihleki ukuthi anginaso i-stove, ngino-oven kuphela. I do not have a stove, I only have i-oven kuphela. And then i-kitchen lami li black, ihlalo nazo ngayithengela ukuthi zimeshe nalodonga lo lakudala. And then by the corner ngine fridge lami bekade lingavelanga eyithombeni mase kuba i-curtain lami leli el cream white. Ngikhathekile lapho i-curtain lami li cream white or likhakhi limechana nama side chair or side tables. Ngizonibonisa kahle ke sidini la elizobonakala kahle i-curtain because ama-curtain wonke ayafana indlu yonke. Ikamero lami ke leli guys, angilithandi ikamero eligcwele, ngithanda nje ikamero empty. Umbhede wami lona nantu kudonga olusha lana, udonga ngilenzelwa abapink lapha ngemuva laseliba purple la esidini lekhona khona i-TV as well as my watch. Mase kuba isibuko lesi sibuko esikhulu engiyibuka kusona nebhentshi lami engihlala kulona lapho mangabe nje ngiyibuka or ngifuna ukugqoka icathulo or anything. Lana ke ila ekwenzeka la khona wonke umagic mangabe ngiyilungisa ekseni. Ngizonithatha ke manje nginyise e-bathroom yami. Iyona ke bathroom yami ke lena, it's a bathtub, i-toilet kanye no sink nesikhabethe la khona kusink. Iwona wonke ama products lawa engiwasebenzisayo on a daily basis. And then ngizobe sengiyanitshengisa ke rake esidini enama products ama brands, different brands engeke ngasebenza nawo nama products ke engiwasebenzisayo nawo, but ke for now lawa ngwabeke phambili ukuthi iwona engiwasebenzisayo at the current moment. So iyona ke house tour na ke leyo. Ngizonibona kusasa because ngiyobhala i-script manje. I'll be writing a script the whole day and the entire time namhlanje. Angishuthi lutho, I am only writing a script. Welcome kolunye usuku. Namhlanje akuvukeki. Yabona sekubuya manje, sekukhikha manje because izola ngilalanga endlini bengilala ehotel. Sekukhikha manje ukuthi mina emfaneni ngithe umfana kamuve in lana azohlala nami. So angazi bengekho ready for umkipito, yabona angaze ngicabange empilweni yami ukuthi ngiyoke ngikipite. But-ke umuntu uzothini-ke because i-situation lesihlangabezana nayo. So like I'm a little bit nervous ukuthi sengizohlala nomuntu kuzoba kanjani. Understand, especially umuntu ongekho employed currently. Uthola ukuthi yonke into encane oyishoyo iyamhetha ama-feelings. Ubone ngathi ibhekiswe kuyena, even if when you make a complaint kubhekiswe kuyena. Nkosi yami, kwaze kwanzima ukuvuka. Yabona namhlanje nje engathi ngahlala ngingenzi lutho nje at all, akuvukeki. So-ke like I am thinking of calling umngani wami because I cannot uvadlana impela nje lukhona, uvadlana lukhona impela. Hello mngani, angifuni ukuvuka namhlanje embedeni. Akuvumi mngani ngivuke embedeni. Useyangibuza umngani on the other side of the phone ukuthi kwenze njani. Ngitshela mngani, yo umuntu wami ulahlekelwe umsebenzi, like uretrenchiwe emsebenzini. So ungitshela ukuthi usefuna ukubuyela emakhaya, so ngim-offer indawo yokuhlala ngathi akazohlala nami. So ngishawa uvalo nje because angikaze ngihlala nomuntu wesilisa before. Aphendule kumngani on the other side ukuthi angihoshe nje isikhaftini sika ice cream omkhulu ogcwele indishi, ngihlale phansi nguwudle u-ice cream and I'll feel better afterwards. Usho kanje mngani, ngizofila better afterwards emva kokudla u-ice cream nje because like yo indlela engifila ngayo, indlela engizizwa ngayo, awazi mngani, yo I am so down, I am panicking. Bangathini bona abazali bami bezwe ukuthi mina ngikipitile lana ngikipitile lana emafletini. Athi umngani angihambe ngiyodla u-ice cream, mengiqeda ukudla u-ice cream ngihambe ngiyothatha leya bath eshisayo engiyithandayo, after that ngizoba right. Angempela bafethu-ke right now ngidla u-ice cream family, ngiyawungenela u-ice cream. Ngiyawungenela at the back of my mind, ngiyasitshela ukuthi le ndoda bekade plan ukungilobola, bekade izongi-engage, ingitshengisile isliphu seringi, ngisibonile ne-date, akusinto ekhokhelwe namhlanje. It's something that was paid a month before. He paid for this ring a month before. Wangitshengisa nemali kwi-account yakhe, imali yelobolo. So ngiyazama ukuyiconvince, yabona ngiyiconvince ngayo yonke lento leni. And then family, just follow me. I'm going to take a very, very, very hot bath. I'll be taking a very, very hot bath. And then please just join me so that I'll be distressing in that bath. And then after the bath, ngiyahamba ngiyoqala ngiyosebenza la kwi-script, and then after i-script ngizohamba ngiyokwenza I have 2 items ngimele ngiyimodelele. It's a dress as well as lingerie. So I have 2 items ngimele ngiyimodelele. So family, right now ngifila better, ngifila good. Bukani le number, bukani le ngubo le engiyigqokile, bukani ukuthi ngifanela kanjani, ngiveza imilenze yami kahle. It's a very, very nice dress, ipholile, i-casual futhi i-formal. You understand, angazi ngayichaza ngithini, ungaba casual ngayo futhi ungaba formal ngayo. Okay family, I am done. Ngiyoqedelela i-script sami manje because like I'm a writer part-time. So I am doing i-script sami. Ngizothi ngingasiqeda because ngizoba nosuku olude ngibhala le script. Ngizothi ngingasiqeda maseke ngiyahamba ngiyolala, and then sizobe sesiyabonana ke kusasa family. Bye, nginithanda kakhulu. See you tomorrow. Family, what a nice surprise. Yazi mina ngidlela nje iyogurt, ngithi nje ngiyoyilalela. Uyabona lonto leyo, ngidlela iyogurt ngithi ngiyoyilalela. Come to show indoda yami unexpected. Okay, anyway, i-Friday namhlanje. so benga-expectanga ukuthi ingafika because ngiyazi ukuthi vele ama-Fridays wachitha ndawonye kodwa bengafuni ukumpressure because ngiyazi ukuthi udlula ezintweni ezinzima. So mina nendoda yami namhlanje ithi indoda asi-ordeni ukudla, izo-order ukudla and then mase siyadla and then mase siyageza mase sibukela i-movie. So ukudla kwethu sekufikile-ke njengamanje. Now we are digging in, si-orderishe ispaghetti because I was feeling like spaghetti today. Kanti nomuntu wami naye uthi akudala sigcine spaghetti, so it's a wow. So sesigezile-ke manje, ziyawa-ke manje, sesikumaphijama wethu ziyawa. Besithi sobukela i-movie kodwa sale sesiphuza iwayini-ke manje, saqala iwayini kancane. Manje sesiplagile-ke, sidakiwe-ke manje, asisadansi, sijika phansi, sibuya ngokuzolala, sidanse, sijike phansi. Kodwa bafethu, umuntu wami ukudansa kwakhe ngathi sekunehaba phakathi. Umuntu wami akasajive, ngathi ujiva iy'nkinga zakhe zonke, ujiva lokho okukhulu, uyajuxuza. Uke wezwa kuthiwa umuntu usemjuxuzweni uyajuxuza. Umuntu wami uyayijuxuza. Lapho mina sengikhathele sengiyazela, kodwa indoda ayijuxuzele ukuthi ayijuxuzele kwakhona. Hayi ayijuxuza indoda, ngicela ukuntshela. Ngize ngimkhuze, ngimhlalise phansi, ngithi hayibo phela uzozunqamuka umzimba, uvuke kusasa usugula. Morning family, seku-4 weeks after indoda yami emsebenzini iretrenchiwe. So right now ngizohamba ngiyothenga igrosa because umuntu wami uyayithandela ukudla, uthanda ukudla okuphekwe endlini. Ngizohamba ngothenga igrosa ukuze mefika afike ukudla kukhona, yonke into ikhona, ama-snacks and everything, angayizweli isikhala sokuthi akasasebenzi. After buying groceries ngizohamba ngiyokwenza ama-nails wami, ngihambe ngiyowexa laphaya. Ni-understand phela sizohlala nomuntu endlini, kumele afike ngi-fresh. Ikhanda-ke ngilirenyuwe izolo. So ngiyahamba-ke ngiyothenga igrocery. After sengibuya nayo ngizon-unpackela yona, ngintshongise-ke igrocery ukuthi ngithenge igrocery yini. And tomorrow bakwethu, isizathu sokuthi ngiyithenge namhlanje, tomorrow umuntu wami is moving out kwi-apartment yakhe. So ngifuna ukuthi ekuseni ngivukele khona, understand, ngihambe ngiyomsiza ukumuvisa izinto, ukumpakishisa nani nje, ngihambe ngiyomsiza, ngibe there for yena as umuntu wakhe athandana naye. Family, sengibuyile ukuyothenga igrosa. Ngizoqala ngi-unpack ama-drinks, ngiwafake efrijini, but ngicela ukunibonisa igrosa yami. Ngicela ningangihleki ukuthi ngithenga into ey'ningi because ngifuna ukuthi umuntu wabantu angalambi mangabe ela endlini. Asiqaleni ngobisi lami-ke lolu, ubisi leli engilithengile because umuntu wami uyalithanda ukuliphuza ubisi. Angi-understand but uyalithanda nje ukuliphuza ubisi. Futhi ngilithengele ukuthi nama-cereals ekuseni. Mase-ke kuba laphayana ama-frappe wami ase-Starbucks. Mina I love lama-frappe. And then I also bought Coca-Cola ukuthi sehlise ngawo la endlini. Umuntu wami uyayithanda kakhulu indoda emnyama. And then ngase ngithenga ama-energy drink, ama-Monster, ngaphinde futhi ngathenga nama-Red Bull. Umuntu wami uyawathanda nje ama-energy drink. I-Sprite ngisithengele mina because umuntu wami uthanda i-Coca-Cola. Mina ngikho mningi kakhulu-ke edrinkini but ngiyithengele i-Sprite. Mase kuba-ke futhi nama-Coca-Cola, ama-packs e-Coca-Cola lawayana, as well as amanye ama-energy drinks. Energy drinks mase kuba izinto like izinto oma-yogurt nani, no cheese, feta cheese, coated cheese, namanzi okuphuza because mina love amanzi, ama-sparkling water. Izona nje izinto engiyithengile, into ey'ncane lezi zokuthi nje yabona. Okay, uthi ngiqhubeke ngintshengisa the entire grocery. Lana-ke izinto zokwenza ipasta, izinkwa, izinto zokubhaka, mase kuba futhi nama-cereals because umuntu wami uyawathanda ama-cereals ukuvuka ngawo ekuseni. So bengifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi yonke into ikhona. So right now ngizohamba ngiyifaka emakhabetheni, mase ngiphinde ngintshengisa amanye ama-items e-grocery yami. Ayikho ingane yomunye umfazi ezolamba ngikhona, kusayizona into zokubhaka lezi, into zokugcoba esinkweni, izinkwa, ama-cereals and what. So nje akunangane yomfazi yalamba, mina umuntu wayo ngikhona never bakwethu ngisho noma thiwa kwenzakalani ngiyohlezi nje umuntu wami ngenza sure ukuthi uyithola yonke into ayifunayo. So lana-ke izinto zokujijelwa kwi-air fryer ke lana oma-fried chips mase kuba yilezi zinto lezi engathi zophaya oma-hot pockets, ama-hot pockets wafaki ku-air fryer yonke into like a-stuffed, naba oma-fish finger, naba oma-chicken and cheese tacos, khona yonke into akho into engekho, ama-tacos, ama-flavor ngama-flavor. Mase kuthi bhekani lapha ngaphesheya zikhona nje izinto, zikhona o-mac and cheese. Ayikho into azothi uyayifuna angayitholi yena. Into azoyenza nje ukuthi to take iphokethe aliphophe ku-air fryer noma aliphophe ku-oven. It depends ukuthi athini ama-instructions okupheka, because nami angisiyo imama leli lokuqoba in so that's why ngithenga izinto eziningi esezi-ready ukuthi nje indoda yami kube easy ngiyifakela oven noma ngifakela ku-air fryer ngiyayinikeza mengingekho ikwazi ukuthi izenzele. Inyama yethu-ke family lena ngenze sure ukuthi ngithenga yonke inyama, ikhona inyama ebomvu, khona ubacon, ikhona ipork, akhona ama-lamb chop, khona ufish lana, khona i-mint, mase bakhona igqumuzi lenyama-ke laphayana, i-beef negqumuzi lenyama leli engathi inyama yakhisimuzi, mase bakhona nenyama laphayana bathi yini i-beef yenziwe ngathi iminsi but i-beef shredded ukuthi just in case he feels like beef but ufuna ukwenza nje something light akwazi ukuthi ayenze. Ngineyibhumbule ezimbili-ke lana eziphekiwe ezi-ready vele for umuntu wami, ngibe lonke uhlobo lenyama ongalicabanga lukhona. Ngenze sure ukuthi nazi ezinye ibhumbulu ezingakaphekwa, ngenze sure ukuthi umuntu wami akahlupheki. Yabo mangabe sifika nje ufika lesa sibhumbulu senyama esirostiwe sesikhona already. Ama-fruits ami-ke lawa nama-frozen vegetables namazambane, but ama-fruits-ke sobe siwathenga nje on a daily basis, but masekuthi ama-veggie-ke akhona lawa frozen esobe sisebenzisa wona. So ngenza sure ukuthi umuntu wami akahlupheki ngalutho, yonke into ayifunayo nento ayihalelayo into ayibawelayo ikhona la endlini. Mase kuba khona lonke-ke uhlobo lama-snacks, Lay's, Cheetos, wonke ama-snacks ongawacabanga. Ngenza sure ukuthi umuntu wami unawo wonke ama-snacks angahlupheki ngikhona kumuntu wakhe, because mina ngihlezi ngibusy, ngifuna ukuthi mangabe ngihlezi ngibusy uthola ukuthi angahlupheki, understand, yonke into ayifunayo ayithole khona la endlini. So ke family, ngizocela ukuthi ningijoyine kusasa la chazela khona-ke uhambo lwami ngiyohlangabeza umfana, ngiyohlangabeza umuntu wami. But namhlanje ngicela ukukhuluma nani something. I want to talk to you about this new brand iBuzz SA ekwi-partnership nayo njengamanje, iNo Finance Cars. iNo Finance Cars ke family ikhona ukuthi isize mangabe umuntu o-blacklisted, awukwazi ukuthi uhambe uye ebhenki uyothola imoto, or awukwazi nje ukuthi uthenge imoto because you are blacklisted, ibhenki alik-approve, ama-garage akafuni noma kubone. So iNo Finance Cars isebenza kanjena-ke, khethi bala la muntu, as long as usebenza uhola imali engango 15,000 noma engaphezulu ka 15,000, or noma unebhizinisi eline turnover ya 60,000 rand per month, you qualify for iNo Finance Car ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi uthenge imoto. Ihamba kanjena-ke, bakunikeza imoto uyikhokhela monthly, ukhokhe installment eyodwa kuze kufike ekugcineni. Ayijiki mangabe i-economy ithatha into zakhona la eSouth Africa, but kwiNo Finance Cars ukhokhe imali eyodwa kusukela eqaleni kuze kufike ekugcineni imoto sekuba eyakho, and then you own that car. So if kukuthi family we are interested ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu o-blacklisted or umuntu ongafuni ukuthi hambe othenga imoto ngebhenki due to izimo ezinye noma ingqinamba nazo noma izathu zakhe, ngizocela ukuthi ungixhumeke ku-WhatsApp, ungixhume family ku-WhatsApp. Mina ngizobe sengiyagayida-ke, ngigayideni i-angel yakho-ke ezokugayida ngikuyise eminyangweni e-right ngqo la uzofike u-approve khona, ozofike nje uthole imoto yakho-ke. Kulula nje, easy as ABC. No Finance Cars, I am now in partnership with iNo Finance Cars. Umina-ke i-angel yenu-ke manje ezonithatha ukuthi ningagetshengwa, nihambe nigetshengwa abantu abahlukahlukene. Ngazi nihambe mangabe uhluphekile u-blacklisted ungakwazi ukuthenga uthenga imoto usufuna ukuhamba uthenga ama-second hand abantu, iza la kumina. I am your angel. Send me a WhatsApp, ngizobe-ke sengiyakusiza ngikufake ngqo la kumele ukuthi uye khona. No Finance Cars, nansi-ke inamba yami ya-WhatsApp down below on the screen, so just make sure ukuthi you send me a WhatsApp. Ningasabi-ke family, umila nikhuluma naye uPhumzile wakamngoma, Buzz SA to all social media platforms. Siyathanda kakhulu, yolala ibonene ey'torini ey'landelayo. Family, part 2 anyway. Part 2 na-ke uzoza I think by tomorrow ngizobe sengi-uploadile part 2. Just let me know ukuthi do you love this vlog thinking, because I want to do it because mina ngiya-enjoya, iyenza ukuthi ngirelax nje, ngiya-enjoy ukuyenza. I want to do it nje for a very long time, like maybe daily, and then while I continue with the usual content. So family, ngiyathanda kakhulu, just let me know down below in comment section ukuthi nithi ayiqhubeke noma nithi disconnect. Buzz SA to all social media platforms. Mwah, mwah, mwah.